Good day everyone, once again this is June Carlo, your property consultant. If you are looking for a property here at Santa Maria, Bulacan with 3 bedrooms, 2 toilet and bath, 2 carports with living and dining area, please continue to watch this video. So this is your vicinity guys. This is in a gated and secured subdivision. So yan, sobrang tahimik niya. Yan, yan. Marami na rin mga na-build na po ng mga property. So in front of me guys is our model unit. So let's check it out. Let's go. So I just want to inform everyone na yung gate po ay hindi po kasama sa turnover, but this is fully finished turnover. So ibig sabihin naka-tiles na, meron na siyang paint at meron na rin siyang partition. So at this side guys is your carport. So kaya namang dalawang malalaking sakyan or SUV. And you have here your pocket garden. Ayan. And this will be your main gate. Main door. This will be your main door. So upon entry guys, you will be welcomed by your spacious na living and dining area. Ayan. Nice. Okay. Moving on. So meron tayong window dyan for natural source of light. And that would be your kitchen. And we have here your toilet and bath. Ayan. So meron tayong entry and exit point going to your parking lot, your open space. Okay, and meron pa tayong isang door, no? Maraming door. May door pa po tayo going to your dirty kitchen or service area. Okay. Punta naman natin ang ating second floor. Let's go. So dito guys ay ang ating veranda. Gusto mo lang siya naka-open para may pumasok na hangin or liwanag. Yeah, pwede naman. Then this will be your bedroom 1. Malaki mga bintana niya guys para maliwalas tingnan. And of course our bedroom 2. Okay. And we have here our common toilet and bath. And this will be your master's bedroom. Alright, so if you have questions or clarifications, comment down below or call me through the numbers provided. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!